because it was another breezy, warm, humid day with a lot of cloud cover. But I need to talk to you about tomorrow. Tomorrow there is a weather alert out for the afternoon and evening. We are worried about damaging winds and large hail from thunderstorms that will be developing out to our west and moving into the metroplex as it looks like we get into the evening hours. So as we take a look at your next 3 days, one more very warm day, that's going to be tomorrow, the one where we have a weather alert in place. We have on Tuesday on the other side of a cold front temperatures only in the mid-60s. So we go to about 10 degrees above normal tomorrow to about 10 degrees below normal on Tuesday, and Wednesday looks absolutely gorgeous. But about tomorrow, storms will start to the west in the afternoon. We'll be tracking them on first alert radar. Then they'll be moving into the metroplex by evening. They'll exit North Texas by late night. So we don't think this is going to be an overnight event heading into Tuesday morning at all. But large hail damaging winds are the main threat from these thunderstorms. The tornado risk is not zero. Tomorrow will be a very capped atmosphere, so a lot of cloud cover, a few sprinkles trying to form under the cap, but the dry line will trigger the thunderstorms, and as it does so, they will rapidly develop and go severe. I'm expecting a watch to be issued from late afternoon to the evening, probably including most of North Texas. Now, this is at 7 p.m., give or take a couple of hours. We're still 24 hours from the event. It depends where the dry line is and the cold front behind it as it runs towards us. And then as we get into the evening hours, we need to be very weather aware in the evening tomorrow night, because these storms will be very strong and they could produce very large hail and damaging winds. Now, we're going to watch some areas for tornado development earlier in the afternoon, but really I think by the time we get into the late evening hours, the threat for the metroplex will be gone and quickly diminish even in our eastern counties as we get in the overnight hours. Between 3 and 7, this is going to be watching, but from Bridgeport up to Gainesville, if any thunderstorm gets going, breaks the cap early before the dry line, they're going to be very dangerous storms. But 7 to 10 is when I want you to be really watching what's going on in the skies above, because that's when the threat will be the highest. The hail threat is pretty strong, especially in these hatch marks. That's where we think there could be 2-inch hail along our Red River counties. The tornado threat is not zero. It's going to be a higher threat across Missouri up into Illinois, even into the Ohio Valley. But you see that 5% chance over parts of the counties and the Red River and just to the north of the metroplex. So we'll be watching these storms very carefully. Now, on Tuesday, we're going to be windy. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-60s. This is our rain chance for the week ahead. After that, dry, nice weather, slowly warming back into the upper 70s. It looks like the next big chance of rain is going to start Sunday and be exactly a week from tomorrow on Eclipse Day on Monday.